Greetings, friend. How are you doing today? I have two questions for you this evening. First question, have you ever seen a movie clips? A movie clip, which is a short segment, a very short segment of a movie. It might be anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds, sometimes a little bit longer, up to a minute, but a short clip of a whole movie where the person, the main actor or actress do certain things. Let's say they're walking down the street and they're looking sideways or something in that aspect, but a movie clip. And then the second questions I have for you this evening is, have you ever heard the term visualizing? Visualizing, let's say you would love to bring into your life an extraordinary result of climbing the Mount Everest. Or maybe the extraordinary result you would really love is to be able to have such a super duper awesome presentations on something really important for you. Or perhaps it is something where you go on a trip somewhere. But have you ever heard the term visualizing, where you visualize, where you see the where it is? Perhaps you might even have, for some of us, we have vision board. Do you have vision board? If you do have vision board, my next questions for you is, how many pictures of the vision board? And vision boards, it's usually a board. And let's say you would love to climb Mount Everest. You have a picture of Mount Everest in the board, and you would love to have a new home and a new car. You have pictures of a new home and pictures of a new car. My questions: if you have a vision board, how many picture in that vision board has you in it? How many pictures are you actually? A picture of the home actually has a picture of you in that home. Or the picture of the Mount Everest, is there actually a pictures of you on top of Mount Everest in a victory pose? The true visualizing is actually you being part of the whole thing. You are part of everything that is in your visions that you would love. And one thing that I find even more powerful, being just to be beyond just to be able to actually see it in a vision board, is to actually play like a movie clips in our mind, where you actually is doing something. You're doing something. Let's say you are your visions, for instance, is to be able to visit Machu Picchu with the love of your life, and you are staying in this magnificent, wonderful lodging, the magnificent, wonderful place to stay, where you have a suite with a balcony that looking right at Machu Picchu, such that when you wake up in the morning, it's nice, fresh air. You open this big door to your balcony, and there you are. You step out, and right there you can smell the fresh air. You can smell the vegetation, the fresh smell from the flowers and the trees, and you can feel the energy from Machu Picchu right in front of you, in front of your balcony, almost like a steps away. And then you can hear the bird of Machu Picchu singing, and in the background, you can hear your loved one just finishing up brushing his teeth and getting ready to join you in the right there in the balcony, and you can feel how much joy and how thrilled you are, and how amazed and amused you are, and how your heart filled with joy and love, being right there in your dream trip with your dream loved one at the dream spot, looking at Machu Picchu right from your balcony as you are getting ready to have breakfast of looking at Machu Picchu. And you just feel sweet, even more joy. You feel even more joy as you hear your loved ones getting through the suite to join you right there with Machu Picchu in front of your eyes. And this is all happening just so real with you being able to see it. And that is the visualizing, the true visualizing, where you actually has a clip. You feel it, you taste it, you feel it in your heart, you feel it physically, you feel the crisp air of Machu Picchu on your skin, and you can hear and you can smell it, and you can almost taste the fresh air of Machu Picchu in this case. And so that is actually the true visualizing. It is beyond the vision board. It's beyond just saying, okay, I would like to see this happening in my mind, but it's actually you are there in a motion picture, a short clip of 30 seconds to and actually 15 to 60-second motion picture in your mind with you being in there. Now, I find over the years working with clients and it myself, actually, there is one more thing that can actually enhance that ability, our ability being able to see it, we are hearing it, everything, to actually allow one more sensory of ourselves, which is our visual sensories, to help us with our visioning and to create what I call vision clip. And what is vision clip? Vision clip is actually you in the pictures doing it. Yesterday we shared between being the actor or actress of what it is that you would love. We talk about the 6 conditions on being able to bring a miracle into our life. In here it's called grounding, and that is to really connect with our vision by they recommend fake it till you make it. And I said, how about if you act it, which is you really feel it and that when you're able to do that, actually it's when you are able to really vision that. And so how about if you actually make a movie clip of you doing what it is that you love. And nowadays I find this very convenient, because with technology such as Zoom, such as virtual background, we can actually very easily create a movie clip of you. You can easily create a movie clip of you. So let's say you would love to go to Machu Picchu in my example just now. This is a photo here, a background, a virtual background of Machu Picchu. As you can see, I'm not in Machu Picchu, but you can have a virtual background of Machu Picchu and you sitting here doing something that you would really love, and then record that. So you are being the star, you being the star of the movie, of this movie clip, doing what it is that you would really love to bring in your life. Now, let's say your vision is to not go to Machu Picchu, but your vision is to give a super awesome virtual presentations right from your home office. And so the same thing. This perhaps you have an important presentations next month that you would really love to be super duper successful. It's important for you, and what you can simply do is create you in the virtual background. How would you feel? What would you do? How would you act after the meeting complete? At the end of the presentation, this is a meeting, this is a presentations you give, and at the end of the meeting, you know that everybody in that meeting just agree and say yes to you 100%. How would you love and how would you feel? Perhaps you like, yes, that is so super awesome. Thank you, live. And so you just created, you just recorded a movie with your background, but your it could be virtual background of your office, it could be a virtual background of a place you would love to go. Perhaps it is a virtual background of a place that you would love to live. Whatever it is, you can create with technology nowadays easily, and a lot of these are free technology. You just find the pictures, put it in there, and you create a vision clip. You are there doing what it is that you said, yes, I'm so happy, I'm in my brand new home, overlooking the ocean, watching sunset with my loved one, and you are there, feeling it, tasting it, feeling it physically, feeling it in your heart, in your mind, and also when you watch this movie, these clips, these vision clips, 2, 3, 4 times a day, on regular, consistent basis, not only will allow us our mind, our heart to connect to it in our subconscious mind, but if you put music, in these movie clips, now you allow your hearing sensory, we allow our sensory system to actually not just in our imagination, but actually in a live form as well. So you can see it in that movie, and you can feel it. And you can, and sometimes we want to vision something, but we have a blah day or something like that, and you're like, oh, I could barely, like, get myself to vision, never mind really feeling this. But then when you watch yourself in there, then you can feel it. You're most likely to feel it. So you'll be able to feel it. You'll be able to feel it in your heart. You can have music that will enhance your hearing, your auditory system, your auditory sensory. You're watching the movie of you doing these things that you would really, really love to come through in your life. And so that is you using your visual sensory. And when we are able to use, there's study that, we know our brain works in multiple ways, and there is multiple pathway to our brain. So when we are able to use all different pathways, it's actually allow us to get it into our system, to cellularize it in our body a whole lot faster and better. And when we're able to do that, you can just, if you'd like to, if there is an extraordinary result, a miraculous result that you would love, just join me if you like to just join me, to just make fun, have fun with it. Don't stress out about it. Have fun. Just find whatever background that you love and things, and then just record these little clips of movie. And don't try to make the movie perfect. Nothing's perfect. And so just do the one that feels the best to you, that you have the most fun. And this is important, that you have the most fun doing it, and then practice it and just test it out. See, leave this vision clip 3 times a day at least, if you can, and do that for a month, do that for a few months if it is a long-term visions, and just see how molecules move, how things move in your life. And before you know it, you will be in that visions where you are enjoying the beautiful sunset from your oceanfront home, where you are being able, once we're able to travel freely again, where you are at the trip you love. Or perhaps you are doing a magnificent, super duper presentation that is so super awesome and successful. And this is Birgit from Gripping to Joyful Living. Please share in the comment below if you like to. If there is certain visions that you would love to bring into your life, please share in the comment below. If you ever tried out this vision clip, these vision clips where you actually make little movie clips of yourself doing visioning, and then you practice it, doing that 3 times a day, with you entering the picture as you are being the main actor in there. And as you watch it, you also feel it and see it and hear it and so forth. And what's the result? And if you like, if you'd like to experiment this is all just fun experiment, and see how it goes after a month or 2, or whenever that you love to manifest the timing wise for this. And this is Birgit with From Grieving to Joyful Living. I thank you very, very much for joining me. And I thank you very, very much for you. Kudos to you in putting time for yourself and for your visions, bringing your extraordinary result, in investing this time for yourself and your vision, bringing the extraordinary result into your life, and allowing more joy, more ease, more fun, and more thriving life in your own life. And I look forward to see you again very, very soon.